What is up, guys? I am under this 24-foot Yamaha. Got some pretty major repairs underneath. Patch up top. Also down here, I am basically working on some minor little spots. I put some light filler on, sand in those. Little nicks like this and little low spots. Working my way down. I'm almost done. I'm gonna have gel coat on this today, which I can't wait for, honestly. And then we're gonna start polishing out after it dries. It's looking pretty good. I don't have too much left. You see my little bit here. A couple little spots down the back. Sand, and then I can start spraying this, mask it off and spray it. Anyways, just wanted a quick update. Thank you guys for watching.